Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banjaran. As you see, this is our water villa, and today I will show you how to cook the traditional Hakka Steam Bee Hoon noodle. Okay, and these ingredients is very simple that you can find at your home. Basically, it's only some dry shrimp or maybe mushroom, salted fish. You can use pork or chicken, and everything steamed together. It's very simple. Okay, let's start to cook. You need to turn on your fire by medium. You put some oil, but not too much, because we are going to steam. We are not going to saute the noodle. And meanwhile, stand by your bowl, put some oil, because you don't want your noodle to stick below the bowl. Okay, put the amount that you like. Here I stand by around 2 hands, and after soak overnight. Okay. Yep, this is the amount we're going to use for today. Okay, so set one side. Now we're going to saute ginger, shallot, and garlic. Just tiny bit. If you like it more, you can put more. My garlic just stand by like 2 to 3 cloves. Yep. But myself personally like more garlic because I like it to become more aroma, and I don't cut it too big normally because I need to have some bite inside the noodle, and some ginger, fresh cut ginger. Okay. After that, I will put the mushroom. I have 200-gram mushroom. You can cut or slice or dice, anything you like. Just make it be simple because this is family food. It's comfort food. Okay. Of course, as I told you, this is steamed bee hoon, so you need to stand by the water ready steaming before the thing was done. Okay. After that, we have some dry shrimp. Depend what kind of dry shrimp you use. You can use the bigger one, the expensive one, then you need to cook it more longer. But I prefer the smaller one, because for me it's more fragrant. So you need to saute until everything is aroma. Be patient. Now you can smell the dry shrimp is getting nice smell. Okay, you can put your meat inside. For me, I use chicken, but of course you can use pork or anything in your house here. Remember, must cook the meat soft and until all the fat will come out. This is the only way to make the meat more aroma and taste good. Okay, now we're going to use to start to season the thing. Okay. So here I use 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. half teaspoon of white pepper, and just a little bit of the sesame oil. Of course, you can use fish oil, fish sauce as well if you like it. Skip the salt because I don't want the food is too salty. I just want the bee hoon to maintain the natural rice flavor, and I can eat the mushroom taste. Okay. Just remember, make the food simple. Simple is always the best. Okay, now you gotta keep some water from when I soak in the mushroom. So just put a little bit inside, like braise it. Look at that, tasty, simple. This one will be a bit like the jichongfen sauce, but without any cornstarch. Small tray. Nice. Okay, now as you can see, there still remain a bit of water. That's it. You can turn off your fire. Because you're going to steam the chicken as well. You don't need to cook it. I think too cooked. I mean, it's cooked but not overcooked. Okay, as you see, the sauce already reduced, but not totally empty because you still need the sauce to cook with the bee hoon. And last, I put some Chinese chive inside. If you like bean sprout, you can put some bean sprout inside, but don't cook the Chinese chive too long because you need to keep the fragrance. Okay, now turn off the fire, and you can put on top on the bee hoon that already amount. Look at that, tasty. Okay, and remember all the juice. And now we need to put in the steamer, cover it, and steam it 5 minutes around. Okay, it depends. If you have more, 6 to 7. The lesser, 4 minutes. Okay, I'll see you there after 5 minutes. Okay, now after 5 minutes, let's see. Wow, the thing is nice. Just perfectly nice. Okay, now we're going to put some decoration. For myself, I like it more spring onion. Okay, I like to put more spring onion inside. And the chili, if you like spicy. Okay. And my parents, they like more pepper, so I put more pepper. Okay, I'm going to stir it up. You're going to mix it. You need the hot jam to coat the spring onion inside the bee hoon. See, the bee hoon now full of the taste and the color. It's all from the original color from the meat and the mushroom, and also the seasoning. Okay, look at that. You can have it in every morning if you like it. Traditional Hakka Steam Bee Hoon. Thank you, and please try it at home, but stay at home. See you next time. Bye.